Hello everyone and welcome to another day of our tutorial. For those who are new over here, this is Busy Dev Tutorials, and today we're going to talk about how to use the Mendeley to reference your work in Microsoft Word. Alright, so let's go straight to the point. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a Mendeley account. We're going to learn how to set up Mendeley on your device. We're going to learn how to upload your article, your references, or your thesis to Mendeley for you to reference from. And then lastly, we're going to learn how to use Mendeley inside of MS Word actually. Alright. So to create a Mendeley account, go into your favorite browser and then type in create Mendeley account. From the first link that pops up, you see over here, create account Mendeley. So you'll click on that. It's going to send you to the Mendeley create account page. So over here, you're required to enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email. Alright. But before we move on, I want you to know that I have a Mendeley account already. So you just follow the processes over here to log in. So you see, as I continued, the pop-up came that I should sign in because I already had an account. Okay. Because you are not having an account, it will go straight ahead to sign in and give you a verification through your email. But over here I have an account, so I'll be asked to sign in. Alright, now let's go ahead. Now install the Mendeley Desktop app on your PC. The link to the file is in the video description, so you can just access it over there. So after you successfully downloaded your Mendeley Desktop app, you're going to install it. So double click your file, agree to all the terms, and then just wait for it to install. Okay, so you sit down and you wait for a while as it installs. Alright, so it's successfully saying that the Mendeley Desktop app has been installed and now set up. So now let's run the software. Okay, let's run the software. Alright, so as the software opens up, this is the welcome page that you see. Be required to enter your email and your password. Take note, this email and password is what the accounts you created with what we did early on. Okay, so here I'm going to enter my email and the password to my Mendeley account. Okay, alright, so let me do that. So I'm going to do that. Take note, you need an internet connection to do this, or else you will not be able to log in into your account. I'm going to enter my password over here. Okay, without the internet connection, as I said, you will not be able to log in. So now I sign in into my account, and then the my Mendeley accounts page is going to open up. Alright, so you see the Mendeley account, my Mendeley page has been opened up over here. I could see a lot of pop-ups. Let me close these ones for now. Alright, so after opening your Mendeley, you should see something like this. You see all these documents on my page because these are the documents I uploaded. Okay, I uploaded all these documents from my device, and then anywhere I log into my Mendeley account, I am going to see all of these documents that I uploaded. So I'm going to reference from all these documents inside of my work. Okay, so now let's take a look at the first one. You see, Mendeley provides all the details of the works which I uploaded. So you can see it provides the journal name, the year, the volume, the issue, and then the pages in which the person's article was published. Okay, so now for you, when you want to add new files to your Mendeley page, you're going to tap over here, click over here, and then you add files. Okay, and then to use now to help you use the Mendeley inside of your Microsoft Word, you'd have to install the plugin. Okay, the plugin allows you to link your Mendeley with your Microsoft Word. To install this plugin, go to the tools section over here. You click on tools. When you click on tools, you see this list of options, and then you're going to click on install MS Word block in. Okay, so you click on that. You see this one pops up. Okay, and then you're going to click on MS Word plugin. And take note, you need an internet connection for all what I'm talking about. So you're going to do that and install the plugin. Now let's go ahead and do the actual reference. Okay, so now let's open our Microsoft Word documents in which we would like to reference. So see, I have a sample text over here. As you can see, Popo is a kind of fruits. And say you want to reference, provide a reference. Instead of doing the whole manual referencing, you're going to use the Mendeley software for this one. Okay, so to use the Mendeley software for this one, you see, you're going to click on references. You see over here, as far home is set layout. You're going to choose the references, and then when you click on the references, because I installed it, you remember we installed the Mendeley plugin for MS Word. Okay. So over here, when you click on references, you're going to see open Mendeley, and you're going to see insert citation. For what you are going to do, you're not going to click on open Mendeley. You are going to rather choose insert citation. So you click on insert citation, and then this thing pops up. Okay, you see this thing pop up. So over here, you're going to click on go to Mendeley. And then when you go to Mendeley, it opens up your Mendeley interface. And then you can use this search button here to search each particular document you want to reference from. So see parasites. So I want to reference from the parasites. So I click on parasite. I check out if everything is intact. And then to actually use it in my work, I'm going to click on this button over here. You see site. So you click on site, and then automatically Mendeley provides the reference inside of your work. You see, it provides the reference inside of work. So let me do some slides editing over here of the it's all. So you do that. Now I'm going to type a second statement and do it. I'm going to do it a second time so that you understand it better. Parasites. Let me type in a sample statement. Parasites are worrying. So you click on insert citation. You click on go to Mendeley. Now, which article do you want to reference from? See, boring. Okay. So I check if everything is okay over here. If everything is fine with me, I click on site, and automatically the reference is being made over there. Okay. You see that it automatically references the work inside of your MS Word. You don't have to do the whole thing manually yourself. Okay, so now I want to provide a bibliography of all my citations inside of my work. Okay, so you go to your formatting toolbar, your toolbar over here, and then you click on insert bibliography. As soon as you click on They said to be bibliography. It provides the full reference to work, the details of the full reference work over there, okay, of where your cursor is. Okay, so now let's type in another. Let's try and do another reference, and let me show you something. So let's say I want to reference from an article, my article which talks about pigs. Okay, I check the details, everything is intact, and then I go to sites, and then so you see, did you guys see what happened? Automatically, the bibliography has been updated with the new reference that I added in the MS Word. You see how wonderful Mendeley is. So you don't have to come and retype the full details down there. Mendeley updates the bibliography every time you add a new reference inside of your work. This is how powerful Mendeley is. Okay, I hope you were able to get this. That will be the end of this tutorial today. I hope you're able to understand anything I taught. If there's anything you're confused about, you want to reach out to me, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and don't forget to like my video, subscribe to this channel, Busy Dev. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.